I'm still at the showground, and I've come to this stand for Delaval. Delaval dairy equipment suppliers. They are huge in this country. They are also, it's an international company, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And they supply exclusively dairy equipment for farmers. So there's a gentleman here called James. Maybe James can tell us a little bit about what this organization does. He is here at the showground today. Welcome, James.
Thank you very much. Delaval is a worldwide company. It is the oldest milking manufacturing company in the world. We were celebrating 100 years 3 years back. They sell milking machines from the small farmer to the big farmers who are milking hundreds and thousands of cows. Also the cooling tanks for preservation of milk for good quality. So on top of that, we supply the other accessories that help the farmer to produce good clean milk and bring up the young calves that are coming up in good health.
Okay. So James, I see you have some equipment and a few things on your table. Maybe you can take us through each and tell us what each is doing. And maybe you can tell us also the price. So if a farmer is planning to come to the show between now and Sunday,
yeah,
he can come prepared, knowing if I go to that particular stand, there's this thing I want, and this is the cost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the table here, we have the cow feeder for calf pellets, for small calves. You put the pellets in the trough, and the calf will take the pellets from there.
Okay.
The other one is the salt holder, the salt block holder, 5 kg, 10 kg. Instead of hanging on with a rope or with a wire, you fix this holder on the wall and you put the block there. The cow will leap the block until it is finished without losing some pieces of the block. We have an automatic water drinker where you fix it on a wall, supply the water with at least 1.1 bar minimum pressure, and the cow will be drinking from there automatically. Clean water because it is stainless steel.
So that can feed
5 to 6 animals.
5 to 6 animals. Okay.
A paddock of 5 to 6 animals.
Okay.
We have the ear tags for animal identification. And with the ear tags, we have the applicator for the ear tags and the marker because they are special. We have a special marker for the ear tags to remain permanent.
So I cannot just go to the bookshop and buy a felt pen.
It will just, the following day, it will.
So there is a special
marker pen for the
I didn't know.
tag.
Now today I've learned something new. That you can just go.
If you light it very slowly, it will penetrate in the material. It is plastic material.
Okay.
It's rubber plastic.
Okay.
It penetrates.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So how much do you sell, like
one piece is 150.
150
per piece.
Okay.
The marker is 1,800. Applicator is 3,800.
Okay. Next.
We have the hair clipper, where you shave your cows for them to stay smart, like the ones which have been brought to the showground.
Okay. So do we only shave our cows so that they look smart, or there's also other reasons why we need to shave the cows?
Especially for those ones which have got a big fur under the under, because of the mud and the dirt that will remain there. You shave the under to make it clean and to remain neat, so that we don't have accumulation of bacteria.
Okay. So for hygienic purposes.
Yeah. This is a kick guard. Instead of using the camber or the rope to tie between the legs, you can use, it is called the kick guard.
Oh, it protects the cow from kicking you?
Yes.
Ah. So how does it work?
You, from the top or from the back of the cow, you hook it there and the leg, the back leg. It goes like that.
Ah, okay.
This being the leg and the bone here. It will cook it. So when it takes to kick,
It.
he feels it
restricts.
is held by this one.
Okay.
It's called
Very-
the kick guard.
Very interesting.
Yeah,
So don't be tying your cow's legs.
yeah,
Now the technology has sorted that problem for you.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is a gumboot for milkers because it's made specifically for milkers because it's tough. If the cow steps on you, will not damage your toes.
Okay.
These are brushes for cleaning milking utensils. This is the vacuum pump oil for those who have milking machines.
Machine like this one.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
These are the detergents for cleaning the utensils, milking utensils, plus the milking equipment. This is the cow feeder.
The calf feeder.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's 3 liter. These are the parts for equipment for checking the mastitis. You have the strip cup, of which you have to strip every quarter before you milk, either machine milking or hard milking, to check every quarter is safe from mastitis. After milking, you have to dip the under
Okay.
to seal that hole so that bacteria does not go in. So this is the T-dip cup plus now the solution.
Okay.
You put the solution here and then you dip every quarter because that teat remains open for about 30 to 45 minutes from the time you finish milking. If the cow lies in the mud or dust, chances of bacteria going through the hole, the teat hole, are high.
Okay.
When you have put this one, you have sealed the hole.
So every time you finish milking.
You must dip.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm very sure very few farmers do that.
Very few. do it.
Majority of the farmers
They
don't do
don't.
that, and you've heard why it's very important
Yes.
to teat dip cup.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Maybe I can take you back here. How do you check mastitis
Yes,
with this one?
before you milk, you strip every teat.
Okay.
You strip, and you look here. I tell you, if the first milk from the teat, if it is affected, will come as a clot, and you see the clot here.
Okay.
So you are sure that under is affected. And if you are machine milking, you not use that udder to milk with the machine. And if you are hard milking, you will not mix that milk with the rest. That will be milked separately.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Now we have the milking machine. This is more for a small scale farmer who is doing maybe maximum of 10 milking animals, because this will do about 8 to 10 animals in an hour.
8 to 10.
8 to 10 in an hour.
Okay.
If your herd is up to 10, this is ideal for you. If your herd is bigger, 20, above 10, 15, 20, you can have it with 2 buckets. Or if your herd much bigger, you go to a permanent one where you have the vacuum line on the other side. We will go to that. We have the machine, and the machine is here, which is actually milking the cows which are here.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Can we go like this and
Yes, we can.
let's walk?
Yeah.
So you say this one is called the vacuum?
Vacuum. That is the machine with a vacuum pump.
Ah, so this is how it's supposed to look like.
This is how the cow, one cow is there, the other cow is there. 2 cows are milked simultaneously.
Okay.
This one the same. A cow is there, another one's there. 2 cows can be milked simultaneously.
Okay.
Now the vacuum pump or the milking machine pump is inside the room.
Or is inside the room?
Yeah.
Ah,
So
okay.
all what you have is here is the vacuum line. With this one, you can milk even up to 10 animals
At a
with
go.
10 buckets.
Okay, very interesting. I like these buckets.
These troughs,
Or they are called troughs
feed troughs.
or feed troughs.
And you can see they are very old.
Yeah.
When when Delaval was called Delaval.
Ah. So they rebranded to Delaval.
Delaval, yes.
Okay. So thank you very much, James.
Yeah.
That was, I'm sure farmers who will want to visit or who are planning to come between now and Sunday,
Yeah.
I'm sure they'll be able to learn a lot from, they've learned a lot from what we've discussed.
Yeah.
And I'm sure they'll want to visit you and also
Yeah.
ask their own questions.
They're most welcome.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Until next time,
Yeah.
this is the Frontier Farmer.
Okay.
Thank you.